Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to show that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if opposite sides are parallel. We just have to show that the opposite sides are parallel. It means that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay, so how do we show that the opposite sides are parallel? It means that the opposite side slopes must be same. Right, let's do an example. Show that the mid segments of the quadrilateral with the vertices at P, Q, R and S forms a parallelogram. So look at the figure. They have mentioned the quadrilateral P, Q, R, S, and they have also mentioned the mid segments, that is J, K, L, M. So basically we need to show that J, K, L, M forms a parallelogram. So let me find out the coordinates of J, K, L, M and then we will begin. So the coordinate of J are 1 and 10. The coordinates of K are 9 and 5. The coordinates for L are 5 and -6, and the coordinates of M are -3 and -1. Okay, so we have found the coordinates of the mid segments J, K, L, M. Now we need to show that J, K, L, M forms a parallelogram. So what we have to do, we need to show that the opposite side slopes must be same. So what we need to show that, we have to show that the slope of a side LM must be equal to the slope of a side KJ, and the slope of a side MJ must be equal to the slope of a side LK. Right? And what formula we have to use to find out the slope? So keep in mind, whenever we have given the 2 points and we need to find out the slope between 2 points, we need to use a formula m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? Okay, let's begin with the first one. So we need to find the slope of LM. Okay, so slope of L and M. So we need to name the L as x1, y1 and M as x2 and y2, right? So x1, y1, x2 and y2. So y2 minus y1, so it would be -1 plus 6 over x2 minus x1, that would be -3 and -5, and that is equals to 5 over -8, or we can say that -5 divided by 8. Right? So that is the slope of a side LM. Now let's find the slope of K and J. So slope of K and J. So we need to name the K as x1, y1 and j as x2 and y2, and let's substitute into the formula y2 minus y1, that would be 10 subtract 5 over x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 9, so that would be 5 over -8, or we can say that -5 by 8. Right? So we can see that the slope of a side LM and the slope of a side KJ are equal. Right? Now let's find the slope of the other two sides. Slope of the side MJ. M and J. So we have to name the M as x1, y1 and j as x2 and y2, and let's substitute into the formula. So we have y2 minus y1, that would be 10 plus 1 over x2 minus x1, that would be 1 plus 3. So that is equals to 11 by 4. Now the last one is a slope of LK. Okay, name the L as x1, y1 and name the K as x2 and y2. So we have y2 minus y1, that is -6, and subtract 5 over x2 minus x1, that would be 5 subtract 9, So that would be equals to negative 11 over negative 4, or we can say that 11 divided by 4. So we can see that the slope of a side MJ and the slope of a side LK are same. So we can say that the given quadrilateral JKLM forms a parallelogram because the opposite sides are parallel, opposite side slopes are same. I hope you understand how to show that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. If you want to watch more and get updated, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.